It's day 8 of the 21 days raw challenge, and I enjoy using my 21 days raw planner. Can't believe 1 week has gone already. I've been using my 21 days raw journal, and this is the section that I actually want to show you now. It's week 1 reflection. So this is my week 1 reflection. So how was week 1? For me, it was great. Did I accomplish what I set out to do? Yes. And then there's a section what challenges I had, what were my wins and progresses on and off the scale. So this is not about how much weight you lose, any progress at all you put there. Did you get in your own way? And if so, how? I did not get in my own way because I was fully raw. I did what I needed to do. What can I do to starting tomorrow to correct this week's mishaps or to overcome possible challenges, right? What have I failed to do? What have I been doing well? Is there anything I need to know to make week 2 better? And then there's the progress report. You put in your stats. We'll finish all of that, yeah. But I just wanted to show you again. So the grocery list, for week 2, you tick off the ones that you want. All right, my affirmation for week 2: I honor my commitment to be the happiest, hottest, healthiest, and most unafraid and at peace version of myself. I choose health, I choose healing, I choose self-love, I choose life. And then based on what you ticked off for what you want to eat for your grocery list, then you would just plan. For those who like to plan your grocery list day 1, day 2, to day 7 for the rest of the week. And there's a raw tip, the 21 days raw planner. Get your copy now. Thank you, raw fam, for your support, and see you in another video. Raw love.